Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review about Dr. Physio electrical massager. So this is unboxing video. Let's open the box. So this one I bought it from Amazon.com for some kind of offer. They're selling for 899 rupees. So I've gone through a lot of massagers and finally chosen this is the best one because this is the branded one, guys. Because you could see a lot of other massagers even in the online, but this has really nice reviews on Amazon, and this is a quality product from USA, guys, and it's good for your arm, shoulder, waist, and thigh and foot, and it weighs around 1 kilo, and it's from the quality product from Nureka in USA. Okay, and this is the unboxing video, guys. So let's see what's inside the box. Wait just a second. So it's like starting, they're given the bill. Okay, I think then they're given this kit and this booklet on how to use in the instructions. So take one by one. Let's take one by one. Okay, so I just removed from the box. Okay, so this mainly is to stimulate the blood flow, and it is multi-purpose quality, and reduces muscle tightness and improves flexibility and relieves stress, and cures chronic neck pain and back pain, and reduce weight, dissolve fat, and improve stamina and relief from arthritis, and control diabetes and blood pressure, improve blood circulation, relieves muscle back pain, and improves digestion, guys. And this is like 4 different heads they are given. So wave, rolling, scrapping, and frosted, and protective cover. So these are the massage heads. So I've removed it from box, and here is a free thermometer they are given to us. So these are the massager cups. Okay, so this is actual massager, guys. It looks pretty big. So this is the wire. Let's keep this aside. Open it, this one. Okay, this is a fabric one, guys. I'm not sure how to use actually. Yeah, this is for fabric one, because when you see here, right, it's like a fabric protective cover. If you're using on your fabric, you can use for this one. So this is really nice and smooth. Okay, and this is a different kind of massager, and when you switch on, it has like a lot of different settings. You can switch on and off, and this appears. It's really nice and useful. Okay, it's rotating, right? And the thing is, so I want a lot of this. A strong motor and full massage you can do, and this is like a protective fabric covering, as I told you earlier, and the skin tightening you can do, and it's about even doctors are recommending this one. So it's really nice and useful. So I want to do a full review, and maybe I'll do it on later other day when I'm doing some kind of massage to relieve from my back pain. That's all about it, guys. It's really kind of bulk, but it's really a quality one, guys. I just want to give it a try, and maybe I'll do the video review later. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave in the link in the description below. If you want, you can go ahead and buy this one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.